ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റ് ടെസ്റ്റ് 2024 KSR Solved question papers. For calculating joining time, Sundays are options A. Included, B. Excluded, C. Included for transfer beyond headquarter, D. None of these. Answer: excluded. The rate of pay and other allowance during joining time. Options A is at the rate of old station, B is at the rate of new station, C no pay is paid during this period, D none of these. Answer: is at the rate of old station. Daily allowance is calculated based on options A. Scale of pay, B. Cadre, C. Tenure of service, D. Actual basic pay. Answer: actual basic pay. After a continuous halt of 10 days in outstation, the halting place may be treated as A. Headquarters, B. Permanent headquarters, C. Temporary headquarters, D. None of the above. Answer: temporary headquarters. Boy service means service prior to the age of options 18, B 16, C 14, D none of the above. Answer: 18. If an officer has a total qualifying service of 9 years and 1 day, then it should be rounded off to options A 9 years, B 9 years and 6 months, C 10 years, D none of these. Answer: 10 years. Special rounding is not applicable for options A minimum pension, B maximum pension, C maximum DCRG, D none of these. Answer: none of these. Leave not due is debited into options earned leave account, B halt pay leave account, C casual leave account, D none of these. Answer: halt pay leave account. The maximum halt pay leave leave that can accumulate is options A 300, B 200, C 33, D no maximum limit. Answer: no maximum limit. The date of effect of retirement is always on the options A AN, B FN, C AN or FN, D none of these. Answer: AN. Part-time contingent employees retire at the age of options A 56, B 60, C 65, D 70. Answer: 70. Compensation leave is not admissible for options A head of office, B gazetted officers, C ministerial staff, D audit officer. Answer: head of office. The maximum casual leave that can be availed at a stretch is options A 20, B 15, C 12, D 16. Maximum casual leave availed at a stretch is answer 15. Child adoption leave shall be availed with dash of age of the child. Options A 1 year, B 3 years, C 6 months, D none of these. Answer: 1 year. The child adoption leave shall be availed with 1 year of age of the child. For calculating qualifying service for pension, 26 years and 5 months can be rounded off to options A 27 years, B 28 years, C 26 years, D none of these. Answer 26 years. For calculating qualifying service for pension, 26 years and 15 months can be rounded off to 26 years. Presently, KSR is governed by which of the following Act? Options A. Kerala Panchayat Raj Act, B. Kerala Public Service Act, C. Kerala Financial Code, D. None of these. Answer Kerala Public Service Act. Presently, KSR is governed by which of the following Act? Answer Kerala Public Service Act. KSR Part 2 came into force with effect from options 1st November 1959, B 1st November 1956, C 1st November 1960, D none of these. Answer 1st November 1959. KSR Part 2 came into force with effect from 1st November 1959. Dash allowance is an allowance granted to an officer to meet personal expenditure necessitated in special circumstances in which duty is performed. Options A. Personal allowance, B. Duty allowance, C. Compensatory allowance, D. None of these. Answer compensatory allowance. Compensatory allowance is an allowance granted to an officer to meet personal expenditure necessitated in special circumstance in which duty is performed. A post created for a limited period with a definite rate of pay. Options temporary post, B permanent post, C presumptive post, D none of these. Answer temporary post. A post created for a limited period with a definite rate of pay, temporary post. Subsistence allowance is equal to options A 10 days, B basic pay, C 1 month salary, D half pay leave salary. Answer half pay leave salary. Subsistence allowance is equal to half pay leave salary. KSR Part 3 pension rules came into force from options A 1st November 1959, B 1st November 1960, C 1st July 1957, D 1st November 1956. Answer 1st November 1956. KSR Part 3 pension rules came into force from 1st November 1956. Which of the following service will count as qualifying service for pension? Options A. Service after the date of superannuation, B. Boy service, C. LWA with medical certificate, D. LWA under Appendix 12A, 12B, 12C of Part 1 KSR. Answer LWA with medical certificate. Which of the following service will count as qualifying service for pension? Answer LWA with medical certificate. The percentage rate of commutation of pension is option A 40%, B 30%, C 50%, D 20%. Answer 40%. The percentage rate of commutation of pension is answer 40%.